Hi friends, in this video I am sharing 50 important questions and answers related to banking and economy news in February 2017 and also some important abbreviations related to economy and banking. Which bank has opened new branches without employees, fully automated branches where customers can use ATMs and do video conferences with employees and other branches to resolve their queries? Bank of America. Which public sector bank has signed a MOU with Union Ministry of HRD to set up the Higher Education Financing Agency with an authorized capital of 2000 crore rupees? Canara Bank. And its CEO is Rakesh Sharma and its head office is located in Karnataka. And the tagline of Canara Bank is Together We Can. Recently, RBI has provided access to ETCD for NRIs to hedge currency risk arising out of their investments in India. Expand ETCD, Exchange Traded Currency Derivatives. The State Bank of India has got approval on 16 February 2017 from Union Ministry to merge its 5 of SBI associate banks under Section 35 of the SBI Act 1955. Name them: State Bank of Bikaner and Jaipur, State Bank of Hyderabad, State Bank of Mysore, State Bank of Patiala and State Bank of Travancore. India stood at which position in Economic Freedom Index by American think tank Heritage Foundation? 143rd rank. Previous year it has got 123rd rank. Which is the recapitalization plan? Recently government plans to come out with an aim to clean up the balance sheets of PSBs to ensure banks remain solvent and fully comply with Global Capital Adequacy Norms Basel III. Indradhanush 2.0. Who has been selected as the brand ambassador of SBI PO Recruitment 2017? Arundhati Bhattacharya. She is the CEO of SBI. The Union HRD Ministry has made which identity proof mandatory to avail benefit under the Central Sector Scholarship Scheme for college and university students? Aadhaar card. Which bank has been conferred with ISO certification award for its information security management system? South Indian Bank. Its CEO is VG Matthew. Head office is located in Thrissur, Kerala, and its tagline is Experience Next Generation Banking. RBI policy rates in February 2017. Its repo rate is 6.25%, reverse repo rates of 5.75%, and CRR 4%, and marginal standing facility 6.75%, bank rate 6.75%, and SLR 20.50%. Who took charge as the MD and CEO of National Stock Exchange NSE on 3rd February 2017? Vikram Limaye. NSE's head office is located at Mumbai. The RBI has waived off fee charges for the transactions up to what amount settled on IMPS, UPI and USSD as part of digital promotions? 1000 rupees. Up to 1000 rupees, no fee can be deducted. And see the abbreviations for IMPS, UPI and USSD. Which PSU bank is planning to launch 276 more branches in southwestern of India by the end of this fiscal year? United Bank of India. See the information about United Bank of India. Its MD and CEO of UBI is Pawan Bajaj. Tagline is the bank that begins with, and its head office is located at Kolkata, West Bengal. Name the committee which was set up by the Reserve Bank of India on cyber security to examine various threats and suggest measures to deal the cyber crimes. N.K. Singh Committee. Meena Hemchandra is the head of this committee. Which bank has launched online chat service facility for its customers who logged into CBOL, its online banking portal, to resolve customer queries? Citibank. The chat service is available from 9 am to 9 pm and the CEO of Citi India is Pramit Javeri. State Bank of India launches Korea Desk in Mumbai with the collaboration of which bank? Korea Development Bank. The head of the Korea Desk is Woong Soo Choi, who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, for the next 5 years after succeeding previous chief UK Sinha, Mr. Ajay Tyagi. Recently, India Postal Circle has started its banking services by establishing the India Post Payments Bank (IPPB) as public sector organization. What is the tagline of IPPB? Aapke Bank, Aapke Dwar. Which was the first state to establish cashless digital system by installing Aadhaar-enabled payment system in India for distributing grains as part of the public distribution system? Gujarat. See the abbreviations. NFSA means National Food Security Act and PDS means Public Distribution System. Who is the chairman of CBDT, Central Bureau of Direct Taxes? Sushil Chandra. The IPPB, India Post Payment Bank, has started its pilot services by opening branches in which cities? Raipur and Ranchi. Who is the CEO of IPPB, Indian Post Payment Bank? AP Singh. Which public sector bank is helping IPPB to set up its pilot branches at Ranchi and Raipur? Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank and India Post Payments Bank have signed a MOU to achieve strategic depth in financial inclusion. How much was the paid-up equity of the new Bank of India Post IPPB, Indian Post Payment Bank? 800 crore rupees. Union Telecom Minister Manoj Sinha. The commodity online portal which is providing online data and information has been linked with which bank for distribution of loans against warehouse receipts and collateral management services? Federal Bank. Its head office is located at Kochi and Federal Bank CEO is Mr. Shyam Srinivasan and the tagline of Federal Bank is Your Perfect Banking Partner. Who were appointed as directors on the Central Board of the Reserve Bank of India by the Government of India for a period of 4 years term? Dr. Ashok Gulati, Dr. Rajiv Kumar and Manish Subharwal. How much amount was allotted for the recapitalization of banks for this year in Union Budget 2017? 10,000 crore rupees. How much was the budget target under PMMY Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana for this year budget plan? 2.44 lakh crores. The fast-moving consumer goods giant ITC company has sold its stake to which public sector organization to raise 6,690 crore rupees? LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. What is the emergency assistance fund allocated for 48 million children by UNICEF? $3.3 billion. The Union Ministry has launched which program with an objective to provide digital training among 6 crore rural people with an estimation of 2,351.38 crore rupees? Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan. Who is the CMD of Dena Bank? Ashwini Kumar. Who has been elected as the president of ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India? Nilesh Shivji Vikamse. Central government sanctions to IPPB, India Post Payments Bank for the financial year 2017-18, 500 crore rupees. IPPB plans to set up 650 branches throughout India by the end of September 2017. Recently, Lakshmi Vilas Bank has been tied up with which organization to launch robo-advisory platform? Wisdom. LVB CEO is Parthasarathi Mukherjee and its head office is located at Chennai, and the tagline of LVB is the changing face of prosperity. In which city Housing Development and Infrastructure Limited plans to launch its new budget plan to provide homes at reasonable low cost to the maximum number of people? Mumbai. Which city? The 25th edition of NASSCOM India Leadership Forum was to discuss on several issues, growth prospects, and the transformation path of India's technology industries to become a digital technology industry by developing its digital capabilities. Mumbai. NASSCOM chairman is C.P. Gurnani and its president is R. Chandrasekhar. According to CSO report, how much percentage of India's industrial output was lowered due to demonetization in December 2016? 0.4%. Which union ministry has approved Electronic Development Fund with the total fund of corpus of Rs 6837 crores to support entrepreneurship and innovation in IT and electronics? Law and IT Ministry. Ravi Shankar Prasad. What is the main agenda of the Union Budget 2017-18 announced by Indian Finance Minister on 1st February 2017? TEC India. Transform, Energize, Clean. According to Economic Outlook Survey 2017, what was the economic GDP growth rate projected by FICCI for the financial year 2017? 6.8%. Here FICCI means Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. What is the total budget expenditure allocated for the financial year 2017? 21.47 lakh crore rupees. Who was appointed as India's principal economic advisor and he also won Young Global Leadership Award in 2010 by World Economic Forum? Sanjeev Sanyal. Which public sector bank has been linked up with Future Generali India Insurance Company Limited for bank assurance? Bank of Maharashtra. Bank assurance means the agreement or relationship between an insurance company and a bank so that the insurance company can sell its various insurance products to the bank's customers. The Union Ministry has approved the loans tenure under credit-linked subsidy scheme of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana mission from 15 years to 20 years. NABARD sanctions how much loan for the drinking water project of the Haryana state? 157 crore rupees. Name the service that has been launched by the Income Tax Department to verify large cash deposits in banks. Operation Clean Money. Which private sector bank has been partnered with Airport PLC to enable faster outbound cross-border payments of its customers? Axis Bank, and its CEO head office tagline is given here. The Union Finance Ministry plans to set up a separate payments regulatory board to resolve disputes and provide customer protection in digital payments. PRB comes under Reserve Bank of India. According to HSBC, what is the India's GDP growth rate for the financial year 2017? 7.1%. How much penalty will be imposed on below 5 lakh rupees income groups for late filing of income tax returns? 10,000 rupees. What is the percentage of income tax rate reduced from 10% for low income groups around 2.5 lakh rupees by the Finance Minister? 5%. Who is the CEO of Bandhan Bank that retains focus on microcredit from now? Chandrasekhar Ghosh. Which bank has got National MSME Excellence Award 2017 by the Federation of Industry, Trade and Services? Corporation Bank. Friends, here is the sum of the important abbreviations related to banking and economy news in February 2017. Sometimes these abbreviations are also important in competitive exams. We may get these type of questions also. PMGDISHA, that means Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharata Abhiyan. PMBJP, Pradhan Mantri Bharati Janaushadhi Pariyojana. AQR, Asset Quality Review. IIPI, International Intellectual Property Index. FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. FIPB, Foreign Investment Promotion Board. FPIs, Foreign Portfolio Investors, and the NRIs, non-resident Indians. DTAA, Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. CEPA, Comprehensive Economic Cooperation Agreement. TEC, Transform, Energize, Clean. TEC is an agenda of budget plan by our Finance Minister Arun Jaitley for the year 2017. FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Fund. PMAY, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. CLSS, Credit Linked Subsidy Scheme. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. CMSGUY, Chief Minister Samagra Gramya Unnayan Yojana. NRAI, National Regulatory Authority of India. ISMS, Information Security Management System. USSD, Unstructured Supplementary Service Data. Friends, to get my latest updated videos directly into your mail, please click on subscribe button, and also you can check bankexamtips.in website to download latest current affairs in PDF format.